Hey, it's Glenn. I'm back with Stania, and we're looking at how to observe different points, look at different features within FieldGenius and the offsets. So I'll pass it back to you, Stania, to show us that.
Yeah. So in this second part, I would like to show a little bit more of the measure modes we implemented in the FieldGenius. So in the first section, I showed you the side shot and how to stake the point. Now I will show you the side shot in phase 1 and phase 2. So this is the tolerances between or deltas between the individual shots. So I will keep it as is as default. And now I need to log the target again. Yeah, so good. I have a log. I'll move it to the different spot than previous. Okay, so with this one, so it's for more precise work. So we will take the shot 1. We need to flip scope. So we will flip scope. So now instrument is turning to the phase 2. The indicator in the observation panel is showing phase 2, as well as we do see the green arrows like being, so the instrument is being locked. And when we measure, that's the phase 2. And because I am so close and the prism wasn't turned correctly, like I exceeded the tolerances in both cases, but that's okay. Like we will save it in this case because I am meter and a half away. So and
Makes it tough when you're so close, yeah.
Yeah, that's so now we need to change phase because I won't work again take any more shots in both. If we would need to take another shot in phase 1, phase 2, we could start with phase 2 and wouldn't need to flip. Okay, so the next measure mode is the distance offset. So Glenn, this user would use this to, let's say, shoot the pole, the center of the utility pole. So they would aim the middle of the pole, and they need to extend half of the diameter of the pole to get to the center of the pole. So how it works, so I take the shot. It's at the point at the same location as point 20, and my forward offset from looking from the instrument, if I make it 20 centimeters ahead, you can see this at the point, the calculated point is 20 centimeters ahead me. Like if we need, for some reason, 5 centimeters right, we can adjust the left and right direction as well. If we switch to the prism view, then obviously it's recalculated to the other side. So you can adjust also the elevation of the point. So it's, if we want to have it meter above from the actual shot, that's how you would do it. Okay. Any questions?
And so just to be clear there, in my thinking, you've got point 20 and you're offsetting it to find the middle of your next entity, which could be any sort of utility pole or feature that you're trying to work with, right? And then you're using these controls to get you, say, the middle of the pole and a meter up, you know, so that you can properly draft that or use it in whatever you're trying to design.
So, or meter down, because I am not seeing all the way where the very bottom of the pole is. So right. That's how you would. So now I will store the point. So that's my point 21. You can, and we would save this point. Right. And the last one.
So you can code any of the points. So you can use Automap and other stuff in CAD software, right?
Correct.
So if you have 10 poles and 10 utility boxes, they could all have the unique description as you're doing it. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay, cool.
And
All
the
right.
last mode I wanted to show is the angle offset. So
Okay.
for this mode, like let's say you want to shoot the corner of the building, but if you are aiming exactly the corner of the building, the reflection angle is probably not good enough. And you can have the issue to shoot the correct distance. So sometimes it's good to aim like slightly like towards inside the building. Now you get your slope distance observed, and then align like to where the corner of the building is by your adjusting the horizontal and zenith angle, and then store the position. And that's the safe way how to avoid
The right corner. Yeah.
like reflection, which like is giving you the invalid distance. So also you can use this mode when you need the temporary shot and then save it later. So for some reason you need to know the slope distance. So that's the mode you would use. Like, so, okay, I know that in here it's 1.5 meters, but I can reshoot the distance again. And yeah,
Just to
until,
get the slope of it. Yeah. Okay.
yes. So that's how the angle offset can be also used.